You know, there's a term in the industry that we use when a piece of equipment or something is just really exceeds your expectations. We call it bomber, and that's just a great definition for these floors. They're just bomber.
Brewing is very tough on floors. You have high traffic, forklifts, you have pallet jacks.
As a contractor, the reason we specify a lot of Ucrete systems is because we truly believe that that's the best polyurethane cement on the market.
I've used this product now on multiple breweries. I think I've got 7 more breweries coming up in 2017. I'll be designing. All of them are going to use the BASF Ucrete product.
We did Ucrete where all the tanks are going.
When it's applied, it's actually stronger. It's tougher than concrete is. So we can drop, hammers, wrenches from 20 feet above and know that floor is going to be able to last and handle that kind of brutal activity over the course of many, many years.
I mean, they're not only beautiful, but they're going to take the abuse from thermal shock to chemicals to just daily hardcore abuse and still look beautiful when you hose them down.
So it's a very chemical resistant product.
Ucrete for our main production areas underneath our brew house, our fermentation areas, under our canning line, under our kegging line.
Seamless system that doesn't harbor mold and bacteria.
We can apply a grit in the product itself, which gives us a lot of traction even under very wet conditions.
We're really excited about being able to use the Ucrete in the areas that needed it most, and then the MMA products that Eric recommended for a lot of the areas that didn't need quite that level of coverage. They didn't have the thermal shock and some of the chemical exposure.
And they have a high traffic area where we did MMA flake. Max wanted a decorative look to his concrete.
It's a 4-coat type coating. You can order it with a variety of different colors. There's paint flakes that you can apply in the product.
We have that in our boiler room, our mechanical room, our electrical room, and then that'll also be in all of our cold room areas.
So the Ucrete kind of butts up next to the MMA. It all kind of ties in really nice. They got the cobalt blue color flake and then the blue Ucrete.
Aesthetics are really important to me. I know there's some guys that just care about the performance of a product, but I really care about walking people through our facility and taking pride in the facility, because now they're going to look at, wow, if they care that much about their facility and the floors, I bet they really care about what goes in that can of beer. I would wholeheartedly recommend anybody in the brewing industry looking at a new flooring system and flooring options to absolutely make sure that you take a look at BASF.
We definitely have absolutely bomber floors out there.
BASF. We create chemistry.